Hey guys, welcome to this short basic Photoshop training. This is a training that was requested by one of my clients where I designed a restaurant menu for her, and she's asked me to do a very basic training to show her how to edit her menu. So this project was created in Photoshop CC 2017, but if you have an older version which is CS3, anything onwards, you can actually use it. So first of all, we've got a couple of fonts that you've got to install to make sure that you can edit the files properly, right? So we've got 3 or 4, I think you got four fonts. So first of all, we need to install the fonts first. The link for the fonts will be in the description below. Okay, let's get to it. So open the folder. First of all, to install the font, we click on the font folder, and we've got to install every single font in that folder. So we go ahead with the first one. So to install the font, you double click on the font and you hit on installed, and because I've got the font already installed on the machine, it's asking me whether I want to replace it or not. So if I click yes, it will just run the installation, and that's done. Once it's done, this will grayed out, so you will no longer be able to click on that. So then you will know that the font has been installed. You close it. You do the same for all of these, all of the fonts. Once you've done, go back to the folder, the root of the folder, select the A4 folder and go inside the actual files. So here you will see all the files. I've made some screenshots of the files, so you will know which one it is before you actually go into it and edit it. So for instance, if you want to edit this menu, when it loads up, right? So if you wanted to edit this menu, so you know the name of this menu here is this one. This is the main file that you have to edit. So what you've got to do is double click and open the file. Right. Now you should get this window. Now to edit the text and the prices, you click on the icon here, the text icon. Just one click, right? Then you go over to the text. You can actually zoom this by selecting this and just put it on 26, enter. Right, scroll up. Now if you want to change the name of the menu here, so you just click on this and then you just edit. Okay, that's mushroom. Once you've done with that, editing it, you click on the top icon here. Done. That's it. Now to edit the prices, all these menus are in sections. They're separate entities. They're separate sections. So if you want to edit the title of this separate text here, you click on this. Only this bit will be able to, you will be able to edit this part here. Okay, so you click on this, you type what you like, you delete it. Once you're done, you just click on save, right? You click on done, right? So now to change the prices, just go hover over this, right? You've got to be accurate here. So you click on that, right? go back. Sometimes you just have to go up and down on it, so use your mouse up and down, or your keyboard up and down, sorry. Right, you see here, you're editing this. Right. Now that's how, if you want to change this to £5.50, let's say £5.50, that's how you do it. Backspace, delete, £6.50. Right. Once you're done, I'm changing that. 70. Right. Once you're done, now this bit here, when you select this, you will see this little square. So this is the text. This is the area of the text to edit the prices. Right? It's similar to Word, Microsoft Word. So you just select it and then click on it and then edit. Right? So once you've done, click on OK here. Right, same in here. So these are separate sections. I've separated it so it's easier for you to edit. So once you click on that, right, so you can change these as well. You can actually zoom it in. So if you control and then you Alt and then you zoom in, you can actually zoom this. Okay, click on here, you can change that as well. £4, £14. Okay, go back. You can actually change the name of the restaurant as well. Right, so you click on this, on the text. You've got to make sure that you click on the text. So the pointer has to click on the text. So you can obviously change this as well. Right, once you've done with your editing, you select here. Now you can actually change the color as well. Right, so if you want to change the color of this, so you select it. Right, you double click on here like this, double click on this, right, okay, so you select it. No, sorry. You click on here, select this, so this is here. Click on the icon here, blending options, color overlay, click on this color picker and you just change it. So here, if you change the blue, see it's changing here. Change it here, change it here as well. Cancel, cancel. Right, so once you've done with all editing, you can go down. Same, everything is the same. All the text on the menu, you can edit them the same way. Select them, edit them, and then OK, and then save. So some of them you can actually edit the color from top here. So if you select this and then you select the color, and you can change it, so it changes over here. Right, this is easier. You Again, select this here, select the color, change, right. So once you've done, click on this icon here, and here we go. So this is how you edit your actual menu, your text on your menu. Right, once you've done, file, save. So basically what you're saving here, right, so you wait for it to finish, so it's finished saving. So this file is the main editable file, right? So you have not edited the actual JPEG file or the file that you're going to print. So this is the raw file, the editable version of the file. So to have a version, a printable version, to print and send it to your printers, right? Click on File, go to Export, Quick Export as PNG. Click on it. Now it will ask you where you want to save that PNG file. You can rename it to the same, or you can keep a backup of it as well, right? Or you can have a couple of versions, or the new version, or version 1, 2, 3, right? Well, for now we're just gonna save it as the same. Save it also to replace it, obviously, because it's the same. Yes, that's done. You go back, you refresh, you should see the new version of the file somewhere in this folder, right? So that's it. Once you've done, double click on it, open it, right, and here we go. You will have your edited version, and this is the file that you will send to your print production for them to print it for you.